Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Subhanaka la ilma lana illa ma 'allamtana. My dear all of country, hope you are well in the mercy of Allah. I am a little worker of Bangladesh Awami League. The current state of Bangladesh Awami League is going to destroy him. Their senior leader of the Awami League, who failed the country at 12, did not worry about the worker in different countries with millions of Roops and Awami League and those who have not failed in the land of Bangla. With the newcomers, the Awami League party will have to be reinforced to take part of the next election at preparing participated in the next election at no member of Sheikh family will be in any member of Bangladesh Awami League, and the Awami League will be the Awami Muslim League, and the qualification is main fact of the next Prime Minister. No more the Sheikh Hasina. Sheikh family is not a qualified this time. For this reason, we can reject all of things about Sheikh family. Otherwise, Sheikh family, there are a lot of money